Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Jessie. I'm sorry if my hair is like this, but we're doing a hair tutorial today. If you're new to my channel, you must know that my channel is mainly in Spanish, and I want to go back to maybe do videos in English again little by little. Before I used to upload videos in Spanish and English, you know, alternate and so on, and my life's always a mess. Like I never decide what I want to do. But anyways, on today's video, as you can see on the title, I'm going to be unboxing or unbagging, because it's a bag, a wig. Mostly it's mainly a ponytail actually, and let's get into it. I was contacted by this company that they make wigs, and they're online at Amazon, I believe, but I'll link their Instagram and their Amazon or whatever link where I purchased this from, or where I actually got it, order it, but they actually sent it to me or paid for it, and I want to make sure that I let you guys know that. Basically, I'm just going to review these. I never wore ponytails, so this is going to be my first time, so bear with me if I'm not putting it right or something. But yeah, let's get into it. It comes like this, in a little baggie like that. It doesn't come with anything else here. Let's see, it says Nayasa or something like that. I believe this is like the brand. And it comes in a little net. Like I said, I have never ever wore, or maybe I have, but definitely I don't think the ponytail looks something like that. But I did saw on the website that it's like this, so what I'm assuming is that I have to make my hair up in a bun, like put it up in a bun, and then I can kind of wrap this around. We'll see right now. The price of these was, I believe, $14 plus obviously tax and shipping, but since it's off Amazon, I don't pay for shipping because I have a Prime account. Ooh, this is kind of tangled here. Let's see. And I got the color brown, just to let you know. I believe it was a color brown, but I'll leave all the information on the description box. There we go, it's all off. So yeah, this is how it looks. It is synthetic hair, and yeah, oh, this is how it's supposed to be, I guess. So it looks pretty decent to me, because this is not like a pricey piece of hair. I would be a little bit like, you know, because if it was pricey, I would be like, what, you know. But this is, I guess you get what you pay for. I don't think this is bad. I was expecting for it to look a bit fuller, to be honest, but this is perfect. I think it does match my little highlights that I have here somewhat. Let's see, I hope it doesn't look weird, you know, once my hair is up, because my dark hair, and then this is like lighter, but it looks pretty nice, pretty decent. I like it. So what I'm thinking I'm gonna do, oh, I had this earlier because I was doing my makeup, but I'm just gonna brush my hair really quick with the wet hairbrush. And honestly, this is all I think of that I can do. Oh, what's this? Oh, just like some, well, just like some pair of lashes. They're like very natural looking. I don't know if they're gonna be selling lashes too, but there's a pair of lashes in here. And then yeah, so let's do this. I'm gonna be wearing these for the first time ever. It's not that I am not a fan of wearing fake hair. It's just that I am kind of like a lazy person with hair. I'm a hairstylist, but I just hate doing hair on myself. Like, I like doing hair on other people. Love it. But myself, it's like, why? I am gonna put my hair up like this. I'm gonna put it like all the way to the top as much as I can, just so I'm hoping the hair looks like, you know, pretty. And then I'm gonna grab these Bedhead After Party Smoothing Cream. I always use this for like the flyaways, and it kind of only works for that. I have honestly not found like any other use for it, and I like it because it does help the flyaways to go, you know, to get back and stay kind of in place without making the hair super sticky and hard. And also because I couldn't find my hairspray. But I'm gonna grab now a comb and go back and sleek the hair a little bit more one more time. Like, I believe I've only worn a fake ponytail like that one time, and I didn't like it because it was a straight hair, and definitely it didn't look like that full like this one. So that's a good thing for this hair piece, that it is fuller than, you know, any other hair that I have ever had. You know, let's say that, you know, I don't have much experience with fake ponytails, but you know what I mean. And I'm gonna do my hair in a bun, so I'm gonna grab another scrunchie, another hair tie. I'm grabbing another hair tie, and I'm going to just kind of twist this, put it in a little bun. I'm glad I don't have much hair, because that way, you know, it doesn't make that big of a bulk. It also comes with this little hooks that you can hook them in the hair or the bun. Okay, so I'm gonna do this and stick it in here, make sure kind of is in place, and then on the back I'm gonna do the same thing. Okay, all right. And then it does have that little stretchy, what is it called? I don't know, like a piece that you can tie the bun. I think I'm gonna try to stick it inside. Okay, I like that it doesn't feel that loose. That's one of the reasons why I don't love ponytails, because they always feel loose and they make me feel insecure, like it's gonna fall. This one feels nice. I'm gonna grab a piece like that and wrap it. Okay, what do we think? I know I can do better. It's just, like I said, I'm so bad with my own hair. Oh, okay. I like that it's very long, you guys. I had to brush it just because I feel like it was like way too curl, like too much curls. And honestly, I don't wear my curls that curly. So I'm gonna brush it, the wet hair brush. Oh, and it looks very pretty. Oh, I like it. Oh, I like it. I really like it. What do you guys think? Okay, I should have brought some bobby pins, I know, but I am loving, okay, I am loving it. What do you guys think? I think I like it. I mean, I'm looking myself at the mirror. I don't know how it looks on camera, but I do like it. Let's see. Like it very much. I just don't like my hair. Obviously that's not part of the, like, that's not the fault of the wig, but I don't like my black hair like this, but I like this. And you guys want to see how it looks from the back? Let's take a look. It doesn't look like bad from the back. I'm sure you know, working it very good and all, it's gonna make, you know, a good hairpiece. Like I said, I like it. The price is very good. It is synthetic hair, and I don't know what else to tell you guys. I do like it. I'm feeling some type of way, you know, like I'm a diva or something. It's making me feel good. Sorry guys, sorry my excitement, but this is like the first time I ever used anything like that. Okay, I like it. I need to take a picture. Ooh, okay, I like it now. I am Instagrammable, if that's a word. Yeah, that's Snapchat worthy. I do definitely need a little more unicorn slime over here. It's really cute. Okay, yeah, okay, I like it guys. I don't know what else to say. I do like it. It's not expensive. Can get it on Amazon, and if you have Amazon Prime you get free shipping, and I'll leave the link and the information. I can't stop touching my hair. I'm feeling so good. Okay, anyways, that's all for this video. I'll leave all the information on the description box below. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what I could have done better so the wig is not too bulky from here. I think this is totally my fault, like I said, because I need bobby pins, and I'm sure if I would have clipped some bobby pins at the beginning when I just put it, you know, kind of holds it better. But yeah, that's all for this video guys. Don't forget to like it if you did like the review, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, kisses.